we just put lock it. Number 17mm for the bracket. It's out now, so one more brake caliper hose, number 12. Boom. Can you guys see clearly? Yes, look it clear then. Let me move the plus slice out. Okay, could be clear. Come out now. Up. See, come the whole things out. Nothing can do. We just knock the brake rotor. Still love the tool. Clean faster. So just put one nut that lock it up the rotor. Let me move the camera forward a little bit to show you how to install the shim. Just remove is number 14. I have shim everywhere. See what it look like. So we come out to the place where we was. So install number 17 millimeter bolt. perfect. There's a roll in there, so the pole doesn't want to go. Okay, perfect. See the warning setting here, just always put down there, always put inside too. But some car the brake pad is designed inner and outer, so this one just designed for the inner one. See, smooth in, smooth out. Smooth in, smooth out, perfect. And like I said again, to mention again, the brake leader near on the top, always stay on the top, okay? Never put upside down, never. It's a wrong procedure. Make sure ties up. Last one. Brake hose. Make sure clean the surface, okay? We don't want to get any dirt in there. It causes leaking. I'm going to show you how to bleed the brakes out from the system yourself. You don't need someone to help you out. If you get someone to help you out, you're going to be fast, faster job. That's all. Okay, release it. It's all set for now. Then I'm gonna put the car down a little bit, then we start bleed the air out from the system. Oh, we can do that. You can see much clearly. Let me put the car down. What I did, a little bit old school, but it worked for me. Grab loose it and you go inside the car and pump the brake panel, okay? A lot of air come out. After you see the clean brake fluid come out, okay, you just stop it. Stop it. See, just turn it off. Need to go inside the car. See it? This is my tool to hold the brake. You just step on the brake, step on it. You put something to hold it. Let me find something. This one a little bit short. See, this is where I did it. You need to find something to hold. Let me find something. I'll be back shortly. It's very important, you know, like about. Just put me here for now. I go grab something. Yeah, I get the holder in here. See it? Just keep pumping it until it's hot, and use this thing to hold it. Let me find something. You do it with two people is the best. But I do alone a little bit tough. See, you push it. Make sure the thing to hold the brake panel, and you go outside. You go outside, you release it. When you release, you see the bubble come out. Okay, turn it off. You go inside, do the same. I just leave it here. I go pump the panel a little bit. Come back, release it. Okay, no more air come out. This is all set for one side, and the other side you do the same thing. Okay, and it's all set to go. Any question, just let me know. Okay, thank you. I gonna do other side without record it because my camera run out of battery. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Make sure all air's out from the brake caliper. Thank you.